Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have the right accounts: Xbox Live and your high-res Smite account. Once done, launch Smite on PC and sign into high-res so the game recognizes your profile. Make sure you remember the email and password for Xbox Live because the next step will prompt you to authenticate. You do this now to avoid interruptions later. Linking requires active logins on both platforms, and that prevents mismatched accounts or lost progression during the authorization step. Next, go to Smite settings and find Account or Linked Accounts. You will see an option for Xbox Live, select it, and the game opens an authentication window. Sign into your Xbox Live credentials when prompted, and allow high-res permissions to access basic account info so the services can sync progression. Make sure you accept every permission prompt, because missing one can block linking. After granting access, the system usually shows a success message. Keep an eye out for confirmation codes or email verifications to finish the handshake. To complete the process, close and restart Smite on PC, then check your profile to confirm the Xbox tag and that cosmetics or progression synced. If something is missing, log out of both accounts, clear the game cache or verify files and attempt the link again. This often resolves token issues. If you still fail, disable any VPNs and ensure two-factor authentication prompts are answered promptly. If all else fails, contact high-res support with screenshots and timestamps so they can recover or finalize the link.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.